Sometimes reality is difficult to deal with, so much so that we tend to ignore them or do not admit them at all. Today, we'll make you uncomfortable and talk about all those truths that not only you but everyone finds difficult to admit. Our memories can be deceptive. Let's face it, we all know that sometimes when we say things and are damn sure about how a certain thing happened, deep down we know that there is a possibility that it didn't happen that way. It's because we can't remember the entire event but maybe just some highlights of it. Remember the game Chinese Whispers? It's pretty much that way and it works in the same logic. The world is brutal and everyone is fending for themselves. It's indeed true. The world doesn't care that you're down or are going through a crisis. They'll simply move on. People will betray you or even backstab, but that's a part of life. You have to fend for yourself. Take wise decisions and don't trust everyone blindly. No matter how close you are with someone, they won't wait for you or will be available for you all the time. Life happens, time goes by, and people move on. So it's kind of important to be self-reliant. We have more time than we think. Humans have a tendency of procrastinating. We wait till the last hour to submit a file or even start making one. And then we miss deadlines or important events due to a presentation which has to be submitted urgently. Our excuse usually is, I couldn't take out the time and was so busy all day. While the truth of the matter is that we didn't organize our time properly. You are your biggest enemy. Whatever we are, our habits, our shortcomings, or our unhealthy eating habits, all are the outcome of our own carelessness. People have health issues, but they just won't change their habits or start taking care of themselves. People suffer from various mental health issues but refuse to go to therapy. It's our life and we are responsible for it, so it's important to prioritize ourselves. There's always scope for improvement, so never stop working on yourself, or in other words, don't be your own enemy. We just care too much about what people think. No matter how much we try to not give any importance to what other people say, we're not 100% immune to other people's opinions. It matters to us what they say and we often seek validation in these opinions. A negative opinion often ruins our mood. So we do care about what people say and think about us. If you are rich, then you are important. This is the sad reality of our world. If you're rich, then you're important and people will prioritize you. It's like in school when a rich kid has a fancy pencil box so everyone's attracted to him, but the implications of this trait in adult life is much more advanced. There's so many layers of differential behavior which unveils itself only once you become rich, and that's the gap between rich and poor and is clearer than ever. Sometimes we project our issues onto others. Recall any fight you recently had with your loved one. Now think, is this something which makes you mad as well? The answer most probably is yes. We tend to project our fears and issues onto others. Soulmates don't exist. No one can ever be perfect for you. There'll always be issues which you need to work through, and that's how your relationship grows, and even you as a person become much more open and accepting of diverse opinions. Not everyone will like you. You can be at your best behavior and even then someone can find a way to dislike you. Sometimes people simply don't like your behavior or your personality. You can't please everyone. I guess we just all have to accept that. Money isn't the key to happiness. Money sure can help you lead a better lifestyle, but it definitely isn't a short way to achieving happiness. You can have all the wealth in the world, but if you still don't feel complete with it, then it won't bring you happiness. Money can bring you satisfaction, but cannot buy you happiness. So to conclude all of this, I think it's best to accept these truths as soon as we can instead of fighting them, because that's just how we move forward instead of beating ourselves up for these little things. Well, that's all for this video. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Explorified. Also, do press the bell icon. Bye!